Animal agriculture industries. The animal agriculture industry plays a vital role in global food production, encompassing the beef, swine, and poultry sectors. These industries focus on breeding, raising, and processing animals to provide essential protein sources and support rural economies. Each sector faces unique challenges and employs diverse methods to improve productivity, animal welfare, and product quality.
Beef industry.
Cattle Farmer Monthly, June. Is raising grass-fed cattle the way to go? Marvin Harris. Grass-fed beef is in high demand. Many consumers say it tastes better than grain-fed beef, and they're willing to pay more for it. The downside of grass-fed beef is the cost. Grasses have a lower feed conversion efficiency than corn or soy. Cattle in pastures are also less likely to receive growth hormones. Thus, it takes longer for them to gain mass than their corn or soy-fed counterparts. Furthermore, they do not receive antibiotics and can get sick more easily. Finally, corn-fed herds often produce higher grades of beef. However, there are methods to counteract those shortcomings. Some grass-fed cattle forage in pastures for the first few years of life. Before shipping them to a processing facility, ranchers send them to a feedlot for grain finishing. For approximately 6 months, they receive special feed rations to bring them up to market weight rapidly.
Swine industry.
Journal of Livestock Production, Volume 12, Issue 4, Spring 2011. Effective Use of Space in Swine Farming. Dr. 𝗱𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗀 and Dr. Charles Pierce. Many swine farms do not provide optimal space arrangements. Turner, 2009. We studied 20 sow farms to learn about the best space arrangements in use today. Below are the findings from our research. The space requirements are different depending on the type of farm. Nevertheless, it appears important to provide more than the minimally required static space. Otherwise, hogs tend to be sicker and less productive. In farrow-to-finish farms, providing social space is advisable. When sows have adequate social space, they produce healthier litters. In the case of farrow-to-nursery farms, providing social space does not add additional value. Therefore, we found that it is sufficient to provide adequate dynamic space.
Poultry industry.
𝗩𝗏 Farms. Home. About us. Our products. Rates. Contact us. Welcome to 𝗩𝗏 Farms. We are a primary breeder of 27 varieties of commercial chickens. We provide hens and roosters to over 400 operations nationwide. Depending on your needs, we can provide you with chickens ranging from 1-week-old chicks to 1-year-old pullets. In addition to breeding, we operate a small production facility. Our layers produce only the best eggs. All of our broilers and roasters are raised in a free-range manner. We are available to consult with poultry operations in neighboring states. With 60 years' experience, we can advise you on intensive farming methods, free-range techniques, and effective litter removal. Call us today to take a tour of our hatcheries.